Number 255. I mean 155.
So 150 without clothing.
158.
Okay, 153.
Yeah.
Good. Come on, Eddie.
300.
Let me just tell you something. When this guy squats 600 pounds, one of the first teenagers to do it, wait.
192 pounds.
192 pounds.
Get this number down. Okay. Come on, bro. Come on, Ron. Look at this. Hair. Lightweight. Let's go. Stand up. Good. Just like your nephew. Up. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Good.
Yeah,
All the way. Squat.
opening at home.
Oh, yeah. Right. Good. Right. Stand up. Good. Squat. Now come on. Get up. Come on. Okay. Better than the other one. Back. Go. 600 pounds. Come on.
Pull it in. Press. Finish it. Rack. Nice. Press. Take it. Come on. Pull it down. Press. All right, take it. All the way out. Nice set. Heels down. Breathe down slow. Just touch. Touch. Press. Take it. Bar roll up, guys. Come on, let's get behind everybody. Here we go. All the way. Yes. Finish it. Finish it. Finish it. Oh, close. Close. 400. You could do it. I never forget you guys when you're young. Come on. Come on, Chris. Push. 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 Yes. 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 Pull it in. Put your butt down. And leg press it up. Leg press. Leg press. Nice. Nah. Come on, get behind Evis. There we go.
Let's go, Reed. Come on, man.
Own it. Close your mouth.
Let's go, Reed.
Push. You got it.
Come on, Reed.
No, that's it today. That's it. Come on, Peter. You're all fucking hard.
Let's go, Reed.
Come on, Pete, show me up. Let's go.
Make up fucking those long arms.
Let's go, Reed. Come on.
Pop it up. Get it moving. Leg press. Here you go. Keep pushing. You got it. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Wow.
Fuck yeah. Where the fuck did that come from? He's like, I got it. Holy shit.
Alright.
Huh? Huh? Rick's gonna go again.
Come on, man.
Fix it up for him. Now hold up. Is there some baby powder down there? Let's put baby powder on his thighs. And I'm telling you guys, I don't know.
Come on, Rick.
Come on, Rick. Go, Rick.
Here it is! Yeah! Finish it! Fuck you, Airlandy. Here, go ahead.
Fuck you, Airlandy.
Yes, here we go. Another person is after you. Come on, you're a fucking deadlift. Come on. Come on, just like Louis taught you. Come on. Arms straight, arms straight. Duck. Fall back. Nice.
There you go.
Easy. You're my fucking new hero.
I'm good.
Fucking, I just see stretch marks growing on him every time he pulls.
Ooh.
Now his shoulders look like they're pure stretch marks. You okay?
Yeah.
Go stretch your back out. You alright?
Yeah. Push that weight out for me.
Hey, Eddie. You know how to use that reverse hyper?
What?
You know how to use reverse hyper?
What he does with the legs, where you swing.
Let's just stretch you out, alright? Take the belt off.
That's twice on the same fucking thing, on the same ankle.
That's yo, this fucking place is a death match. That's why this one kid that's handicapped wants to come in here. I said, no way. He'll fucking kill himself.
Handicapped or...
Alright, here we go. Roll those fucking pants up.
Me?
Roll these pants up. Let's give you a shot at it, right? No, the front.
Right here?
Yeah, roll that up. That's how the 70s, everybody used to show their thighs. Alright, give him a little fucking water. No. It's not anybody I knew.
Better sniff that up.
Huh? Oh, that's real fucking nice. I'm gonna fucking get a picture of that. You got the mentality. You got that fucking you got the retard strength. I'm happy for you. You get a special extra added blessing of retard strength.
And I can't squat for shit.
Don't worry about that. It doesn't matter. Let's go. The fuck? Throw some water on it and just fucking go nuts. Here.
What happened? Try to bring it in. It was a little far away. You're trying to use your legs as a guy. Bring it up and don't try to jerk back. You're like this.
Guys, before we do anything, we can clean the gym a little, and I'm going to give out our shirts and all our shit. Sean's going to pull 500 for us here. 515 or 500?
Someone's going, right?
Yeah. Roll the bar forward, though. Just keep pulling on it and shrugging it up, all right? Because that's where you stop with the shrug. Hands up. Lock your arms. Lock.
Nice.
Finish it. Nice. Down. Nice. I like the way you use your head. Come on. PR, baby.
Head up.
Pull. Yeah. Yeah. Finish. 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 Down. Good lift. Let's make sure we have enough. I was trying to get one for Betsy, too. So I'm going to send away for one. Does everybody have one? Betsy, I'm going to have to get you one. Huh? I don't even got one. We're going to take a picture. I'm going to ask for 3 more, and I'll get you one, all right?
You want a top side?
Yeah. Thanks, Betsy.
Let me see.
All you got to do is hit that button. I like a little contest, get the kids involved. Bye, guys. Put that
Musclehead.
shirt on. Yeah, they're all young muscleheads, up and coming.
This guy's a clown.
Who?
This guy right here.
You don't give her a hard time, do you?
No.
Better not.
My best friend, she gave me some toilet paper.
Keep him off the toilet paper.
All right. Come on, let's go. Huh? No, it's okay. It's a good idea. Jack, that's okay. I'm going to put it on. But thank you. Guys, right in front of the West Side thing. Thanks. I'm going to ask for 3 more shirts. Bets, what size you want?
None.
Huh? It says shut up and train. You got to like that.
Come on, squirt.
Oh, whatever. Come on, Eddie, throw that thing on.
You get a big shirt.
Put your shirt on. Put it right on top.
See what I
do it.
See, now we gotta wait for you. Come on.
Jack.
Don't make me get Neil.
Want me to take a few of these? Skiba?
What?
Take a few of them?
Yeah, just hit the button. It's gonna be a movie camera one anyway. As long as you see it blink. We know it is. Is that screen blinking?
Yeah?
That's it one more time. That's
I took 3 of them.
That's good. Thanks, Ben.
You want one?
No, I'm alright.
Huh? All right.